Hey guys, it's Gladdy. Thanks for joining me today. It's evening time. Usually, this is much later than I usually record. Today, I wanted to talk about vowel sounds because so far I've been teaching consonant sounds, and vowel sounds are really significant because one, it's not in a lot of other languages, the vowel sounds that we have in English, and two, if a vowel sound's not made correctly, it can turn a word into a different word. Can you guess which vowel sound I'm referring to? It's the ah sound. Sometimes it's confused for the or made as an eh, this is IPA, or eh, this is not IPA. The eh sound. So the ah sound is usually represented with the letter A. There are two other ways, and we can go over that again some other time. But for making the sound, I have 3 tips for you. Before we get into that, I wanted to do different things with our jaw. So the sound that can be substituted for the ah is the eh. Now look at what my jaw is doing. Eh, ah, eh, ah. What's happening? You guessed it. Eh is higher. Ah, it has a lower. You lower your jaw so you can make that sound. Okay, let's start with E. Yeah. What happens just by dropping my jaw? Wow, you made the ah sound by dropping your jaw. That's one of the key things I'm going to go over in just a minute. Here. Okay. Number 1, it's 2 beats. It's not just for this vowel sound. It's in the general American accent. English has 2 beats for a lot of the sounds, and they're wavier. So, ah, 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 ah. Can you see that? It's 2 beats. Where's my music people out there? You want to relax the tongue. That's number 2. And then drop your jaw. What you just saw. Those are my main ones, but I also want to leave you with including your senses. Not just seeing those 3 things, but what do you see when I say the ah sound? How does it feel like? What do you hear? So then you can start adjusting yourself when you're not saying the sound correctly. This is just part 1 or part 1 of 3. I wanted to just include this video, and I will do a practice more next time. See you next time. And if you like more information of different videos, I have a blog and services at speakinggladly.com. See you later.